Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for some deliciousness. And for all my returning friends, thank you for your support. Your likes and shares mean the world to me. Today, we're diving into a super fun and easy recipe that's perfect for movie nights, snack attacks, or just when you want something crunchy and satisfying. We're making stovetop popcorn. Yes, you heard that right. No microwave needed. Grab your ingredients because we're going to keep it simple. You'll need a quarter cup of popcorn kernels, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. That's it! First, we'll heat our oil in a large pot over medium heat. You want just enough to coat the bottom, so don't go overboard. Once it's shimmering, toss in a couple of kernels and cover the pot. When those kernels pop, you know it's time to add the rest. Pour in the quarter cup of kernels, give it a little shake to distribute the heat, and cover it up. Now comes the fun part, listening to that glorious popping. Just remember to give the pot a little shake every now and then to prevent burning. It's like a mini dance party right on your stove. Once the popping slows down, take it off the heat and sprinkle with that pinch of salt. And there you have it. Perfectly popped popcorn. So easy, so delicious. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Happy snacking!